My name's Dr. Jill Brawlick. I'm a whale and dolphin biologist, and I work for the University of St Andrews. And I came to Tanzania to study whales and dolphins, actually. So I was doing a large-scale survey of cetaceans across the Tanzanian coast. And one of the tools that we use for studying whales and dolphins, because they make noise, is underwater, clicks and whistles, is that we use these underwater microphones to listen and record the sounds that whales and dolphins make. And so we were using this technology during the dolphin survey, and then when it came to actually analysing the data, not only did we hear whales and dolphins, but we also heard huge numbers of dynamite blasts. It's a really interesting cutting-edge technology to be able to listen underwater and record the sounds from dynamite fishing, because the sound travels for enormous distances underwater. So it's quite exciting, because most of we know that dynamite fishing is a huge problem in Tanzania, and it has been for decades. But there's not much information that really can put numbers on how many blasts there are, and when they occur, with most frequency, which season, which time of day, whether it's day or night. And we're reliant upon people to tell us. And that is inherent. There's always problems when all you have is people telling stories. So there's value in that for sure. But the advantage of this is that it will be recording day and night over a very big area, and it will really give us hard information so that we know really the scale of the problem. So we're going to be monitoring 2 different locations on the mainland Tanzanian coast, and in the past what we used was just a single recorder, and a single recorder is one particular location, and it listens and records everything that it hears from that point. But actually this time we're taking it one step further, so we're using some quite advanced technology, and so what we will have are 2 listening stations quite close to each other, so they can hear the blasts at the same time. And then there's quite sophisticated software that will look at the time that the sound arrives at each of those recorders, and based on that we can calculate exactly where the blast